Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Just starting off with the head and shoulders and just kind of mapping in the shapes. And I think I'll do the top and bottom jaw kind of separately first. So just getting the general shapes in there. Just a quick gesture sketch. Good learning sketch. And now the muzzle is kind of a partial side view, which is a little bit tricky sometimes, but we just draw what we see. Not a happy kitty here. Very scared kitty. Pop that little nose in there. I like that nose. And paying attention to the angle of the eyes and the ears and all these things really go a long way toward capturing that scared kitty look. Just really feeling it out more than anything. I got a lot of extra lines there, but that's okay because they're just going to fade away into background tone as I find my way. And I love to hear from you, especially if you have an idea for a video. In that case, put video idea in capital letters in your comments and I'll be able to find it quicker. And the ideas I want are, different poses and things. Different types of cats, but I don't generally do a lot of fancy purebreds because I would rather focus on rescue cats. They're the ones that needs the home. We need the homes. We don't need to make any more cats. There's lots that need homes already. And I just love to hear about you or your cat too, or just to say hi to this awesome community of crazy cat artists if you want to drop a comment. So I just put like barely a hint of teeth in there. Because I don't want them to stand out too much. Just a hint helps us know that there's teeth there. And we know they're there. So I'm going 3 times the speed right now. And voicing over. You don't draw this quick. Some of those tabby stripes on the side kind of help to shape the head because they go around the contour of the cat's head. Not a happy kitty. And just a suggestion down here for the paws and toes. Focusing more on the face, learning how to draw that scared, maybe angry kitty face. And we'll pop some whiskers in. Finish things up. And thanks so much for watching today. Lots more coming. We'll see you next time.